I saw a note on my door, on my bathroom door, and it's 7:20 right now. I'm supposed to be at school, but my mom was like, no, just go look in the bathroom. Now, I already know my cat is pregnant, and I came up to this. Hold on, you can't see it. Hold on. I came up to this note. Kitty's in there. Keep door shut. Okay. They're in here. What is that? What is she eating? I still don't know what that is. I just wanted to get one of the babies out. I thought she ate one of the babies or something. I'm gonna go get one of the babies out. But I'm gonna let you see him first. Hopefully I won't walk in on her eating one of those. Look at our baby. That's my cat. Hey, Bella. Bella. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure how many babies she has yet. She might be still in labor. You people out there that don't know what labor means, don't ask me. Or your dad. Well, your dad, yeah. I'm gonna get one. Can you hear that? I'm gonna go get one of the babies out. Oh my gosh, I just went in there to see that there's blood. There's blood. Blood in there. There's right there. I don't know if you can see or not, but I'm gonna go right quick. I got one of the babies. Hello. Hey, say hi to the camera. Oh, hey, you're not wet. Your face isn't wet. You must be happy. Okay. You must be happy that you. Okay. You must be happy that your face isn't wet, right? Right?